Hello everyone and welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Here I am, Mr. CHHUOY is the most educational in social media on YouTube. So today I'm gonna take you how do you annoying the writing, or how do you want to stop writing by using your voice command or voice control to make it rise by itself. So today I'm gonna take you how to use your voice to rise without typing any key on the screen on your Android phones. Before we get started, you need to install the files names, the app name called Gboard. Here is the Gboard that have been developed by Google, so it can be work fine. So now go ahead and install it. Now after install it, you go to your anything on a message or messenger or any apps or anything that you can write to chat. So this is an example that I am using the message to write with. So you click on plus here, and then here is the text, the text box here. And now there are two languages that you have been set it to two language. One is in English, and another is my local language. My native language is Cambodian. So if you want to change any language that goes through your country, and you can check or select the gear icon on the top right hand side here, and you can change to your language. Now there's two language. One is in English and another is my language, my native language. So now go ahead and click on the microphone icon here, and then start to talk with everything that you want to say. So click on the icon. បាទសូមជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនពុកម៉ែទាំងអស់គ្នាជាទីមេត្រី Here is the text that it writes things very well for your native language. If you speak English fluently, you can use your voice to write very fluently. Now I'm gonna try English. I'm sorry too for my bad English, because I am not my mother tongue language, so it is a foreign language. However, I'm gonna be try before I get started. I have to select it all and then delete and then change it to English. And now we gotta start it. Hello world, welcome back to Google. Wow, that is very fine teaching. Teaching is the best way on YouTube, and sing a lot to YouTube. Now you can see it. Sometimes we have a problem because the duration of the English spoken is something wrong with the foreign language, because I have told you that English is not my mother tongue language, so it can be a wrong of pronunciation, so it can be confused to writing on the screen here. But if you are on the mother tongue language, it can work fine with your voice control and voice command. So this video is maybe can help you to write, or you can do anything on the social media like TikToks or anything that you want to comment. Now we're gonna example, Now I'm gonna close that.
อยู่ในแก
And just copy it for a while and then start to write on screen here. Now start writing by using your voice. ពិតជាល្អណាស់បង Now it works fine here and then click to comment. It works very well, so it can be good for you and me and other people in the world. So this video, I think it helps you a lot with the text to speak. I mean speak to text, not text to speak. It's speak to text. So if you like this video, please rate or comment or hit like button or share this video. Thank you for watching my video.